You are so fast, Ducky.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's the right way to turn, yeah. It's kind of a stop turn. Nice. Nice. Good job, Ducky. And how far did we go today?
6 miles.
Way over there, right?
Yeah, we go all the way that way and come back. 6 miles.
Yeah. And we saw crabs. We tried to catch them, and I caught some, but I caught some smaller ones.
We will go to eat now because we are now hungry. And then we will go to catch crabs.
Yeah.
And see how much we can get. We already had 8 crabs before from the last dinner.
Yeah.
You like it?
I liked them a lot. They were didn't have any fishy taste.
Fresh.
So fresh, yeah.
Yeah.
And the sauce you made was super good. Ginger and sugar.
I like it.
The balloons use butter or something. Butter.
No butter. Don't need butter. Butter makes that fresh taste gone.
Yeah.
Great.
And we saw a stingray too.
Oh, yeah,
I saw one at least.